It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. Yes guys, I have installed Windows 11 and now in this new video I'll teach you guys how to make your taskbar smaller or default or even larger. So let's get started. So first of all, open your start menu and search for registry editor. Open this app, allow it, and now here click on current user, software, then Microsoft, then look for Windows, scroll down, Windows, then click on current version, then search for Explorer, click on Explorer, and now click on Advanced, right click on Advanced, click on New, and then 32-bit value. Now double click on this value, and now here's the value data. If you'll keep it 0, so the size of the taskbar will be smaller than default. If you'll keep it 1, so it will be default, which is this size. And if you'll keep it 2, so it will be larger than default. So let's try 0, click on OK, and now just right click on start menu, then click on Task Manager, click on Windows Explorer, and just restart it. And here you can see the size of taskbar is now smaller. And if you want to increase the size to large, so just right click on this and click on modify, and here you can keep the value 2, which will be larger than default. Click on OK, then again go to Task Manager, click on Windows Explorer, and you can click restart. And now you can see the taskbar size is larger than default. And now if you want to undo these settings to make it default, so simply just right click on this key and click on delete, click on yes, again go to Task Manager, click on Windows Explorer, and click on restart. And now you can see the size is now default. So guys, this is the end of the video. If the video was helpful, so please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.